What's up guys, I am back with another one and today we'll be going over a shirt from Buttercloth. And not to get you guys too excited, but honestly this is the nicest, most comfortable, best fitting button down shirt I've ever tried on, so I'm really excited to share this one with you. So let's get it going. Okay, when a company has like really nice packaging, I like to acknowledge that. So this is how it was sent in this like heavy duty box. This was one shirt, mind you. And inside we had this like really nice tissue paper with their logo. All right, so this comfort starts here. But look, this is the card that they give you with it. It's like this amazing matte finish. I got it all nasty with my fingerprints, but like look how nice this is. It's amazing. They also sent me a mask that's reversible. Black. And then you got this print right here. The ears are adjustable. There's that little thing right there. Go ahead and try this on. Ow, my eyeballs. So it fits pretty good. Go ahead and put the black side on. Awesome. Almost covers the full beard. Not a lot of them do that, so doing pretty good. Okay, before we move on to the shirt, I just wanted to say like this is really soft, but it's not that stretchy, but I don't know that you need it to be. But I don't think it's the same material as their shirt because like their shirt's very stretchy. So if you've never heard of Buttercloth before, they've actually been on Shark Tank and made a deal with Robert. So if you have not seen that yet, I would say like after this video, go watch that because all the sharks when they felt the shirt were like blown away, and that's kind of the same reaction I had when I felt it. So definitely worth a watch, but I did want to say if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. This is where I do honest clothing reviews and I always try on all my clothes, and then at the end of the video I'll give it a score out of 10 based on 3 criteria that I will put in the description below. Also want to say that Buttercloth did send me this shirt for free in exchange for an honest review, and they also gave me my own code which would give you guys 15% off if you guys wanted to try these, and that code is KRONK15, and I'll also put that in the description below because I know a lot of people will skip right through this part and not even see it. Okay, so I just want to show you guys a couple things up close. So this is what it looks like. This is a slim fit, and I believe this shirt color is called Redwood Drive. Okay, so just look at it up close. It is 100% cotton. That's what the inside looks like. And when I tried this on, guys, I was blown away, honestly. I'm not even kidding because I got sent this and like I'll get a tiny commission or whatever if you guys buy with my code, but I'm dead serious. Like this is the nicest shirt I've ever tried on. It's incredible. Do want to show you the buttons right here. Buttons are sick. Like they have these little lines. Just the details are amazing. But the best thing is the comfort. Like when you try this on, oh my god, it's so comfortable. It literally feels like such a soft, like when, look, I'm putting my arm in right here and it's like stretching with it. So it's so amazing. Okay. And I did say I got a slim fit, right? So if you look at the arms, they are actually, it's like actually really slim. So surprised. Because a lot of shirts that say that they're slim fit, in my opinion, they're not slim enough. And the fact that this one is like fitting me like one of my favorite long sleeve shirts would, it's amazing. I love it. Like the length is perfect. Like I think it's perfect to wear not tucked in. That's my opinion. I mean, you could tuck it in as well, but I feel like it's kind of that length where it might pop out. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know. Let's try it. Oh, by the way, I am 6 feet tall, 165 pounds. So this is what it looks like tucked in. So I'm just trying like the pop out test. Like really, like, yeah, it comes out a little bit. So I would probably wear it not tucked in. Another thing is the cuffs right here. They have this pretty sweet design. So if you wanted to like roll these up, you could rock it like this. But this is probably how I would wear it, just all the way down. And if I wanted to roll them up, I'd probably just do one of these. So when they first sent me this, I was so tempted to make this video like right off the bat because I was so blown away and like excited about it. And I'm glad I didn't, because I wanted to wash it a couple times and wear it a few times, and I can honestly say now that I like it just as much now as I did when I first got it. So I think that says a lot, but I just want to back up again. I don't think I gave a spin yet. But I want to give you like a little stretch. I don't understand how this thing is 100% cotton. Like, how? How is it this stretchy and only cotton? Like, it's insane. Like, the comfort feels like cotton for sure, but I don't understand how they could have woven it in a way where it's like stretchy, but that's so cool to me. And also the day that they sent me this, I tried it on and I never took it off for like the rest of the day. So I was just like hanging out in it and I completely forgot I was wearing a button-down shirt. Like, that's how comfortable this thing is. I think the name Buttercloth is such a good name for this too, just because you think like butter, so smooth and like soft and comfortable, and that's everything that it is. It's definitely exceeded my expectations, and I'm really, really happy. One negative thing I do have to say is this shirt has now ruined what I thought were like really good button-down shirts, and that kind of sucks. All right guys, now for the scores. So for fit, I'm giving this a 3.8. That is extremely high. Like I said, I'm not used to having a button-down shirt that has this tight of like sleeves. So I absolutely love that. I love the length, and it just fits amazing. So 3.8 out of 4, really high score. Moving on to comfort. Comfort, I'm giving this a 2.8 out of 3. Extremely comfortable, from how stretchy it is to like how soft it is on your skin. I've never felt anything like that in a button down. So 2.8 out of 3. And lastly, for style, I'm giving this one a 2.7 out of 3. I love the way the shirt looks, and they do have a lot of nice styles, but in my opinion, if they can improve on any aspect, I would say it would be their designs on their shirts. But that's just me being like nitpicky. That's like me trying to find a negative in their shirts. Alright guys, that about wraps up the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. It would really help me out. Also, if you wanted to try the shirt out, don't forget to use my code. It's KRONK15. And if you could give me a follow on Instagram, I would really appreciate that. I will put my handle right here. But with that being said, I will see you guys on the next one.